$274 per day is roughly $100,000 per year. Just imagine all of the time freedom that you would have if you were able to make just $274 per day. Well, in this video, I'm going to reveal 5 websites and a bonus website that can help you make $274 per day. So make sure you watch this entire video to learn which one is right for you. Hello, my name is Alston Godbolt, and as a successful affiliate marketer and internet entrepreneur, I've made money with stand mixers, security cameras, sound bars, microwaves, web hosting, and even online courses. If you want to learn real affiliate marketing tips and tricks, be sure to like, subscribe, and ring the bell to be notified when I upload a brand new video. Also, click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbolt.com/start for my free unemployee handbook. That handbook will teach you how to make money online step by step. All right, so as I mentioned in this video, I'm going to reveal 5 websites that can help you make $274 per day or more. And at the end of this video, I'm going to reveal a secret bonus site that no one else knows about except for you. The cool thing with $274, as I mentioned, it's just over $100,000 per year, and it's not terribly difficult to get to. It will take some consistency over a certain period of time, but it is attainable. It is out there for you. You just have to put in the work to go ahead and grab it. So let's go ahead and talk about these 5 websites. The first one that I have on my list is Clickfunnels, but this could be applied to Builderall or Kartra or any of these websites that will you can either promote them as an affiliate or you can build out different automation to make money. So let's go ahead and talk about Clickfunnels. There's a few different ways that you can make money with Clickfunnels. The first way, and I think the way that most people are aware of, is as an affiliate. As an affiliate, you are going to go out and promote Clickfunnels and their different products and earn commissions. Now, if you are promoting the actual funnel building software, you can make $38.80 anytime someone signs up for the $97 per month offer, which is not terribly difficult to do. There are new businesses that are coming online every single day. You just want to make sure that you are targeting new businesses and helping them. One of the best ways to grow as an affiliate on Clickfunnels is to provide training, teach people how to use different aspects of Clickfunnels, and you could potentially make money. So that's just one way. Another way that you can make money is by actually selling your own physical or digital products. Yes, you could use Clickfunnels on your own to sell a digital product. Maybe you have a course, maybe you have a downloadable guide or template, whatever it may be. You can sell it right through Clickfunnels, and the way that Clickfunnels is set up is you can use it to build out your mailing list, which can help you sell even more. You can host your courses and digital products and downloads right in Clickfunnels, and when someone buys, they get everything that they need automatically. And again, you only need to make $274 every single day. So you could sell a $100 product right through Clickfunnels, make 3 sales per day, and you're over that $274 barrier. But again, you could apply this to Clickfunnels, Kartra, Builderall, any of those software as a service that are out there. But that's number 1. Number 2 is actually with Canva. I really like Canva because I believe there are so many different ways that you can make money with Canva. One of the ways that you can make money with Canva is selling templates. Now, I just yesterday was over on Etsy, and I was looking up different Pinterest templates. So if I just type in Pinterest templates like this, you're going to see that there are tons of people selling Pinterest templates, and they're selling them anywhere between $7 and $50. But you can see here, these are actually all built out through Canva. And what happens is if I purchase one of these, I will get an instant download and really a link over to Canva, and I'll be able to edit these myself. But this is just one way that you can make money on Canva. You can come back over here and you can build all sorts of stuff, and you can either sell it on your own, or you can use the help of a website like Etsy to sell it yourself. Now, if you're going to sell it on your own, you need some sort of traffic source. That traffic source could be a Facebook group, it could be YouTube, it could be LinkedIn, it could be TikTok, whatever it is. But you can create stuff and sell it over on Etsy if you want. You can create stuff and sell it on your own. But if we come back over here to Etsy, we can type in like flyer templates, FLY, flyer templates like this, flyer template business. And once again, you're going to see there are tons of different people selling these things. This one's selling for $10, 245 5-star reviews. So they probably have sold, I would guess, close to 1,000 of these. But you can see 629 5-star reviews, and they're selling them for $9.99. And these are different flyers that people are going to buy, and they're going to edit them right in Canva. It says edit right in Canva. In fact, what you can do if we jump back over to Canva is if we click on flyer, I just saw it, where to go, we click on flyer, it's going to give you some templates and examples. Now, you can't just sell these templates and examples. You have to make some changes to them. You have to modify them and customize them so that they're your own, but you can see where this goes and how you could potentially make money. Look at this one, QR code right here. If we come back over here and we type in QR code like this, QR code, and QR code sign template, just like this. And you're going to see, once again, there are tons of these different opportunities, $40, $25. Again, your goal is $274. So you sell about 10 of these per day. You're going to be up over and around your target area. But I really like Canva because it's really user-friendly, it's easy, it's free to get started, and there's all of these different templates to help you get going. But number 2 is with Canva. Number 3, and this website, I don't think anybody knows. Very few people know. If you followed me for a long time, you know about this website. If you are just meeting me, welcome aboard, but you have no idea what this website is and how powerful it can be. You can use this website to find clients for your web hosting or web design business. And so the way that this works and the way that I found it is I was actually, when I started my web hosting company, I was looking for a way to get leads. And I went over to my local library, Kenosha Public Library, and I said, hey, is there a way that I can get a database of the businesses in Kenosha? The lady that I was working with said, I can actually do you one better. I can give you a database of every business in the United States. It's called DataExile. It used to be called Reference USA, and it got hacked or something weird happened. But you can actually get a list of every single business in the United States. And why is this important? Because if you build out WordPress websites, you can see who has a website, you can see who doesn't have a website. You can actually take this a step further, and you can actually be their social media manager. You can see who has social media accounts for Facebook and Twitter, and I think LinkedIn is too also. And you can charge them anywhere between $300 and $2,500 to be their web designer or web developer. And what you would do is you would simply just build out a simple 5-page WordPress website and you could make money. But this is an incredibly powerful website that can help you make well over $300 per day. It is one of my favorite websites out there. It's called DataExile. If you live in the United States, connect with your local library and you should be able to get access to either Reference USA or DataExile for free, as long as you have a library card. But this is one of my favorite places on the internet, and I would say very few people know about it, and you can access all of this for free. After Reference USA, we have Udemy. Now take a look at Udemy here. Udemy is a website that you can build courses and make money. Now Udemy is both good and bad. It's good because it brings tons of traffic and anybody can create a course. You don't need to have a specialization. You don't need to be a genius or have a PhD in the course that you're teaching. You can literally teach a course about anything. The only drawback to Udemy is that the courses are usually marked down to $9.99. So you're going to need a significant amount of traffic every single day in order to make your $274 per day average. But what you can do, there's a few different ways to use Udemy. One, you can come up here and you can create practice tests just like this. And what you're going to do is you're going to create AWS practice exams and you are going to sell them. How cool is that? You don't even have to actually create a course to make money on Udemy. This is one way that you can use it. Another way is you can actually sell courses right on Udemy. If we look myself up, I have a number of courses on Udemy. Now within Udemy, you can actually build your email list. You can sell affiliate products. For example, with this ClickFunnels 101 Introduction to ClickFunnels, it's a free course, but people will click on my ClickFunnels affiliate link, and if they stick past the 2-week free trial, I can potentially earn a commission. With this affiliate marketing for beginners masterclass, I have a link to Bluehost, and if they click and they sign up with Bluehost, once again, I can earn a commission. So there's a number of ways that you can make money within Udemy. Another thing that you can do is you can actually use Udemy for ideas to create and sell your own course. So what you could do is come up to categories and take a look at web development, for example. Take a look at JavaScript and then look and see what people want to know with regards to JavaScript. You can take a look and see the most popular classes. People are looking up TypeScript. They're probably also looking up React as well. And you could go out and create your own courses and then sell them either on YouTube using YouTube ads. You can sell them YouTube free. You can do Facebook ads, Facebook groups, but you can use Udemy as inspiration to figure out what's popular. Another thing you can do is if you teach on Udemy, the back office will actually tell you which courses are most in demand and courses you should make. And you can use that as inspiration to either create a course over on Udemy, or you can sell it directly to the consumer, which is actually going to help you make a little bit more money. But Udemy is a great place to find inspiration and even get your feet off the ground. After Udemy, we have YouTube. You are here on YouTube. You understand the power of YouTube. And there's so many different ways that you can make money on YouTube. Now, just looking at my homepage, there are tons of ways to make money. For example, with Make Money Matt, he teaches people how to create YouTube automation or YouTube cash cow channels. He makes money from the course that he sells. He sells I think it's like a $300 course or $500 course. He makes money from that. He makes money from the YouTube Partner Program. So you need to have 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers in order to qualify for this program. So he makes money 24 hours a day from the YouTube Partner Program. He can also make money as an affiliate. He's probably an affiliate for vidIQ or TubeBuddy or even Morning Fame, and he's making money there. If he has merchandise, so if he had like t-shirts with Make Money Matt or a picture of his face and people are buying it, he can make money there. If we look at this one right here, Kit Boga, he does scam baiting. He calls scammers or talks to scammers that are in different parts of the world. He actually makes money with brand deals and sponsorships. And brand deals and sponsorships are basically in video promotion. So one of the sponsors may be something like Norton Antivirus. And while before he gets deep into his actual video, he'll say this video is sponsored by Norton Antivirus. It's the best antivirus in the world. Definitely check it out. Use my code, links in the description. And so as you can see, there are just a number of ways that you can make money on YouTube. It doesn't just have to be the YouTube Partner Program. And in fact, with Make Money Matt, he probably is making so much more money with his course and with digital products that the YouTube Partner Program is kind of like the icing on the cake. It's the sprinkles. It's not needed, but it's nice to have. If we look over here, Chad Bartlett, he sells a course. He's an affiliate. There are tons of ways to make money, and you can do it too. And in my video tomorrow, I'm actually going to show you some very stupid, simple, faceless YouTube channel ideas that you could get started today and potentially start seeing some income. All right, so now that we have the 5 ways to make $274 per day taken care of, let's take a look at this bonus site. It's actually my site. Here, I just launched this coaching program, and with this coaching program, you can earn 50% commissions for anyone that you bring in. The cool thing about this is you are going to learn how to make money with affiliate marketing, and you're going to help people make money as well. So the link in the description will take you to a free ebook that you can get started, and then you can learn a little bit more about this coaching program and how you can make money as an affiliate. So just to recap real quick, the 5 ways are with Clickfunnels, Builderall, Kartra. I lumped them all into one. The second way is actually with Canva. Third way is Reference USA or DataExile. The fourth way is with Udemy. The 5th way is with YouTube, and the bonus way is actually with my website. And so if you want to learn more about this, go ahead and click that first link in the description. Also watch these videos next for more tips and tricks to make money online. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and share this video with 5 of your friends.